Alright, let us talk about Ubuntu Software Center. Similar to the Play Store for Android mobiles, UBUNTU has its own download center named as Ubuntu Software Center. It is a utility that contains thousands of free and paid applications for UBUNTU. These applications can be easily installed and managed in your computer system. Software Center utility helps you to search the software by their name, category or description. You can also examine the applications which are already installed in your computer and remove the items which are no longer needed. The Ubuntu Software Center window has 4 sections. A list of categories on the left, a banner at the top, What's New panel below the top banner. Then Recommended for You panel, and finally the top rated panel at the bottom. Each area displays different application icons. Clicking on a category will open a list of related applications. The top bar displays navigation buttons and icons for All Software, Install, History, Progress and Search box. Students, let me tell you how to install an application. Type the name of the application which you want to download in the search bar. Or you can find the application from the lenses located at the left pane of the window. After selecting the application, click on it. The application gets highlighted. Now click on the Install button. UBUNTU asks for authentication. Type the password of your system and click on the Authenticate button. The installation starts. You can see the progress of the installation on top of the window. After successful installation of the application, the icon will appear on the launcher bar. Alright, let us talk about customizing the desktop. UBUNTU is quite flexible and provides options to change the settings of desktop according to your choice. Follow the steps to change the background setting of your computer screen. Click on the session indicator in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the System Settings option from the drop-down menu. The System Settings dialog box displays. In the Personal section, click on the Appearance button or right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Select the Change Desktop Background option. The Appearance window appears, displaying the current wallpapers and themes. The Ambience theme is selected by default. Select any theme from drop-down list of available themes section. The Apply theme will change your desktop appearance immediately. Similarly, you can change the desktop wallpaper from the available list of pictures under the Wallpapers category. Apart from the wallpapers, UBUNTU provides 2 more options to change the background of your desktop. Number 1, Pictures folder. Number 2, Colors and Gradient. These options are available when you click on the drop-down arrow next to the wallpapers. To use one of your own pictures as desktop background, click on the plus button. The Browse for More Pictures dialog box appears. Navigate to the image you would like to use. Double-click the image. A preview of the selected background will appear on the desktop. The image will then be added to your list of available backgrounds under the Pictures folder category. The Colors and Gradients button allows you to set the background to a solid or gradient color. Click on the Solid Color button. The Pick a Color box is displayed. Select a solid color from the displayed list of colors by double-clicking on it. A preview of the selected color will appear on the desktop. The vertical and the horizontal gradients buttons bring up 2 Pick a Color buttons. Just choose any 2 colors you want to apply and observe the desired result. Once the colors are applied, click on the Close button. Okay, students, note that if the pictures are not available in your system, you can upload them either from your camera or download from the internet. Launcher icon size. At the bottom right corner of the Look tab, you will find a slider to change the size of icons on the launcher. Drag the slider towards right or left to choose from a range between 32 and 64 pixels. Alright, let us talk about screenlets. UBUNTU contains many programs called screenlets, which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to frequently used tools. It includes Calc, Clear Calendar, Clock, Flower, Lipic, Meter, Ruler, Stocks, Web Frame, Sticker, and many more. By default, screenlets are not visible on the desktop. You have to install this software by selecting the Ubuntu Software Center. To install the screenlets on your computer, open UBUNTU Software Center and type the screenlets in search bar and press the Enter key. Select Screenlets application and click on the Install button. Once it is installed, you can use the Screenlets application. To add screenlets on your desktop, follow the given steps. Select the Screenlets icon on the launcher and click to open it. The Screenlets Manager window appears. Select the screenlet that you want to place on the desktop and click on the Launch or Add button in the left pane. Now, click on the Close button to close the Screenlets Manager window. The selected screenlet gets placed on the desktop. You can change the placing of the screenlet by dragging it anywhere on the screen. Time for Fact File. To remove the screenlet from the desktop, click on the screenlet. You will find a cross button on the top of the screenlet at the extreme right corner. Simply click on it. The screenlet will disappear from the desktop. Students know that you can download more screenlets by clicking on the Get More Screenlets button. Clock. It displays the current time. To change the clock name, click on the Clock and then Gear button. The clock screenlet window will open. Click on Options button and make the desired changes. Slideshow. It displays continuous slideshow of the pictures stored on your computer. Click on the slideshow and then the Gear button. The slideshow screenlet window appears. Click on the Options button and make the desired changes. Free Me to Weather. This gives the weather information either in Celsius or Fahrenheit of any place across the world. To open it, follow the same process. Clear Calendar. This screenlet displays the current date, month, and year. Students, let us know more. UBUNTU allows you to paste the sticky notes on your computer screen. Click on the screenlets, then go to Lipic, then go to Launch or Add. Students, let us talk about screensavers. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again get back to the normal screen. In UBUNTU, screensavers are not visible by default. To apply screensavers on your desktop, you have to install them first from the Ubuntu Software Center. Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. Download Automatic Screensaver for X from the Ubuntu Software Center. Once it is installed, you will notice screensaver icon appeared on the launcher. Click to open it. The screensaver preferences window appears. Select the display mode using up and down arrow in the mode category. Now select the screensaver from the displayed list. The selected screensaver gets highlighted and the preview of the screensaver appears in the right pane. To watch the preview on the full screen, click on the preview button. Wait for a few seconds and you will get the preview on the full screen of the selected screensaver. Set the time for how long before the screensaver activates under the blank after option. Use the up arrow to increase the time and down arrow to decrease. Set how long each display mode should run before choosing a new one, using the cycle after option. You can increase or decrease the time using up and down arrows. The screensaver of your computer changes according to the selected options. Students, can you quickly reply? Name of the latest version of UBUNTU. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. File browser application provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. Lenses are the elements of the dash window that provide help to search both the web and application data. Ubuntu Software Center is a utility that contains thousands of free and paid applications for UBuntu. UBuntu contains many programs called screenlets which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to frequently used tools. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left for a certain period of time.